Alright everybody, thanks for tuning back into Weekly Wi-Fi. It's been a little bit of a break, but have the ONEWHEEL PINT to show here and do the first impressions to compare it to the XR and the previous versions. So from the box side, the way this comes in is pretty similar to what they've done before, recent with the spacers in on the box. Goes out. Itself, definitely a little bit lighter than the previous, so get this unboxed, kind of angle it so hopefully this is good and visible for you guys to see what we got. A little bit different packaging on the actual box, but it's similar, more of a basic look. And as you can see inside here, they have a lot more of the natural look on things. But we've got inserts to capture that in. And the nice thing I see right off the bat with this is the mag handle. So definitely a lot more compact in size, that's for sure. Set this back on this side. Must be owner's information and charger. So physical size, definitely lots more compact. As you can see, I got rubbed around a little bit inside the box, but man, a lot more manageable from physical size, weight-wise as well. Handle's quite nice from that side. No handle to grab hold of like on an XR, so everything relies on the mag handle, but definitely very compact system. So, and one thing I noticed right off the bat compared to other models, it's got a switch here. It already has a cover over it to keep debris out. Charge port is on the same side as the power switch, which differs, and it's 2-pin, which is what the reviews have shown that I've already posted. And then as far as the light, is on the front pad still has 2 sensors, left and right side, or front and back based on your foot placement. Man, just a overall very compact size, much lighter weight-wise, at least the feel, maybe because of the size. So, all right, guys, a little bit of a close-up on this. So looks like inside here we've got owner's manual and the charger. And that's what we got inside. Instructions, just threw it on the floor. Charger is much smaller, but have to test it out. Looks like the current XR charger is a ultra charger, since it's the same voltage as what it looks like. So we give that a shot. Powered up. Let's see here. We've got the lights kind of linking up, it seems. Looking at the front, got the lights there. Coming around on this, we've got the red lights at the back side. It definitely does click back into position, so we'll see how that does with noise and rattling. May or may not be an issue, but all in all, very, very nice, clean look. Smaller tire. So yeah, we'll get some video of it on initial impressions and ride. I think I'm going to try to print some fender action here. Take this off. I've heard the accessories are a little bit delayed getting in, but we'll check it out. Link it up to the app. Talk soon. All right, so power switch is sealed. It's going to be better for off-road and debris from that side. Printed my own fender mounts, a little bit of a clear, translucent bucket. Accessory's kind of hard to get right now. Printed a power port cover as well. Board is a little bit more sealed up. No handle at the top. So the only one that you've got is the mag handle. which is pretty nice. Got a few hits where I've rolled it here, but in general, very solid board. Board in general,